Poweray Biotechnology company. Our company focuses on the development of POCT precise quantitative detection equipment and supporting in vitro diagnostic reagent. Let's go and see it. Our office has an area of 800 square meters, led by a PhD team. We have a professional foreign trade business team with rich international trade experience, 24 hours to provide you with efficient and accurate services. Our newly developed immunoassay machines covers inflammation, rheumatism, kidney injury, cardiovascular, diabetes, tumor, thyroid, sex hormone, etc. It is widely used in community clinics, emergency testing, etc. There are also fluorescence immunoanalyzer, HbA1c analyzer. To meet the needs of acute and chronic management of primary medical care, the company has passed the GMP certification of Guangdong Province Food and Drug Administration, ISO 13485 system certification, and more than 40 products, and obtained EU, CE certificate and FDA certifications, and National High-Tech Enterprise certifications.
This is our manufacturing workshop, built according to international standards, with an existing production plant of more than 3,500 square meters. And 100,000 level purification workshops, including sterile laboratories, positive control laboratories, microbiologic laboratories, etc. This is the finished products inspection area, packing area, etc. The products management runs strictly in accordance with the International College Management System.
We are committed to be the leader of POCT quantitative diagnostic with the spirit of professionalism and rigor to let our customers experience fast, accurate, easy, and multifunctional products and services to contribute to the improvement of healthcare for the grassroots. If you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us for further information.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.